Hi everyone, welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the end of the Clipper circuits, that is diode Clipper circuit. Till now, we have been seen the series Clipper circuit. In series, we have been seen both the positive Clippers and negative Clippers. In parallel circuit, also we have been seen both the positive and the negative Clippers till now. So in that also we have seen the biasing like positive biasing, negative biasing with positive with series biasing with positive bias and with the series negative bias, parallel with positive bias, parallel with negative bias, parallel clipper, parallel series. Oh, so much we discussed till now, right? This is the end of the clipper circuit sessions. So actually, this is the last one, right? This is the last session of the our clipper circuits. That is 30th session. Okay. So what exactly the dual clipper circuit? Dual diode clipper circuit. Why it is called dual? Because of we are using two diodes, so it is called dual, which is having two, right? So dual mode. What is dual? Dual means it will act like a both the ways. It means when one circuit is in open circuit mode, the other will act as a short circuit. When others has a short circuit, and the uh, remaining one will be in the forward bias or in short circuit, or when one acts is the one will be in open circuit, other will be in the short circuit, vice versa. So let's discuss this one more detailed. Okay, let's observe the waveforms. Okay, I'm going to explain in the brief the manner. Whether you are going to be follow or not, let me know. Okay, this is my sinusoidal wave with a volts of 5 to peak. Okay, to explain more clearly, we have been both the positive bias and a negative bias in the same circuit. So this is the plus 2 volts, this is the minus 2 volts. Okay. During the positive half cycle, what will happen during the positive half? This is positive, this is negative. This means this is a positive, this is a negative, positive, negative. Positive negative means it is in short circuit. So the diode will be merged with 2 volts. Okay. So plus 2 volts. So the initially the output is for this diode case 2 volts. Okay. This 2 volts. Okay. We are joining this one to understand. Okay. Initially for the positive 2 volts. For this one 2 volts. Whereas this one, what is for this one? It, in this one, positive and negative, it is in open circuit. Correct, right? Open circuit. In this case, there is no voltage flows through this one, right? So whatever we are giving here the 2 volts, that will be in reflected on the output side. The this 2 volts. Okay. In contrast with that one, when the negative half is passing through this one, what will happen? Okay. When the input is a negative half, this is a negative, this is positive. It means this is positive, this is negative, negative, positive. In this case, it is in open circuit. So this will clips. Okay. Whereas it is in short circuit. So this will give the minus 2 volts as our minus. Okay. In this way, plus 2 volts in contrast with minus 2 volts. In this similar fashion, till how much you are giving the input, that much it is behaving like a step response and slow decaying, step response, slow decaying, step response, decaying, step. It's like a 2 volts plus 2 volts minus 2 volts plus 2 volts minus 2 volts with the dotted lines of that one. So in this way, this dual diode clipper circuit is going to be work. So to better understand, let's go to multisim. Okay, let's see here. For the same parallel negative clipper circuit itself, I have been designed this one by rearranging the diode shaping. So when we give the first half cycle, means positive half cycle. For positive half cycle, this is reverse bias mode, this is forward bias mode. So positive 2 volts will be reflected on the output. When negative half cycle, this is in short circuit mode, this is in open circuit mode. So this will be reflected minus 2 volts as the output. So in this way, how much extents you are giving the input, that much it will we get the output on the scenario. So okay, what happened is to, so I have been changed the frequency. To change the frequency, I need to deduct the my input also. So to understand the more clearly, I am restricted to this one. So to know what is what happening, so you can notice over here positive of negative, positive of negative, positive of negative. Similar manner it is going to come on the output side. So in this way, this dual diode clipper is going to be work. This is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.